Hi, renovators! Again, welcome to my page. So, just subscribe on my YouTube channel and also check my Facebook page. So, hello renovators! So, andito ako ngayon sa Alveo Land, Park Triangle Residences. So maganda yung view niya dito. So, ayan. So, ito. Scope of works na lang namin dito is repainting, partition, drywall, mag-i-install ng drywall, and also yung mga baseboard, hilamusan or parang i-repaint ulit. Then lightings, yan, yung mga lightings installation. So, ayan. So, ang pinaka-team ng client namin is minimalist. So, mostly, ang suggest ko pag minimalist team is, of course, ang much better na color is, of course, white. At the same time, ang pinaka maganda rin sa unit kahit paano pag ano nyo, sa minimalist team is yung mga lights nyo is medyo warm white para medyo mag-match yung minimalist team sa warm white. So, ayun. So, at the same time, ayan, ginagawa namin yung bedroom. So, ito, ang ginawa ng client is from one living room, nagpagawa siya ng isang bedroom. So, ayun, ito, pinaka-kitchen niya. So, actually maganda yung Alveo Land na unit. At the same time, yung view niya, maganda yung view niya. Makikita nyo, makikita yung BGC. So, ayun. So, hopefully, renovators, pag gusto nyo ng mga minimalist team, you can contact us, 8Core Construction Services, of course. Feel free to contact us. So, ayun, renovators, basta, yun nga, suggestion ko lagi is, pag minimalist team, of course, kailangan yung colors niya, for example, light colors, warm colors, para mabuhay yung team ng minimalist. Again, renovators, thank you. Again, see you. Bye!